Joint pain after 55 is not just normal aging. Doctors warn that most knee, hip, or back pain actually comes from everyday habits we can change. If ignored, joint pain can slowly turn into arthritis, stiffness, and even loss of independence. But the good news? You can prevent it naturally. Today, I'll share 6 proven ways to stop joint pain, protect your joints, and keep moving freely after 55. These tips are backed by science, and you can start them right at home. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory foods. One of the biggest hidden causes of joint pain is chronic inflammation. Think of inflammation as a small fire inside your body. If it burns too long, it damages cartilage and tissues. But the food you eat can either fuel the fire or put it out. Omega-3 rich foods like salmon, sardines, chia seeds, and walnuts are natural fire extinguishers. They reduce swelling and keep joints moving smoothly. Spices like turmeric and ginger have been used for centuries as medicine. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural compound shown to fight pain as effectively as some mild pain relievers. A simple daily habit: drink a warm cup of water with ginger and turmeric every morning. Add a squeeze of lemon for taste and extra antioxidants. Over time, this small ritual can keep inflammation low and your joints happier. Number 2. Low-impact exercise. Many people believe rest helps when joints hurt. But the truth is, too much rest makes joints stiffer. Movement is medicine. Low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, cycling, or even gentle yoga keep your joints lubricated, like oiling the hinges of a door. Just 20 minutes a day is enough to maintain flexibility and strength. You don't have to run marathons, just consistent, gentle motion. If you have knee pain, walking on grass or a treadmill is softer than concrete. If you enjoy water, swimming is perfect. It supports your weight while allowing full range of motion. And for home, even a short indoor cycling session can improve circulation and joint health. Tip: avoid high-impact movements like jumping or running downhill since they put extra pressure on cartilage. Number 3. Strength training. Think of your muscles as the bodyguards of your joints. If they're weak, your knees, hips, and back take the hit. Strong muscles act like shock absorbers, protecting joints from stress. Focus on strengthening quadriceps, hamstrings, and hip muscles. Easy examples: chair squats. Sit and stand slowly from a chair 10 to 12 times. Wall sits. Hold for 30 seconds to build thigh strength. Resistance band leg lifts, light but effective for hips. Even 2 to 3 short sessions per week can make a big difference. Over time, you'll notice less strain, better balance, and more confidence in daily movements like climbing stairs or carrying groceries. Number 4. Maintain a healthy weight. Every extra pound of body weight adds about 4 pounds of pressure on your knees. Imagine carrying a heavy backpack every day. That's what extra weight does to your joints. No wonder being overweight is the #1 cause of early arthritis after 55. The encouraging part is that even small weight loss has big effects. Studies show losing just 5 to 10% of body weight can drastically reduce knee and hip pain. Start simple. Replace soda with water or green tea. Practice portion control by using smaller plates. Add more vegetables and lean protein, and cut back on processed snacks. These small adjustments can lighten the load on your joints and give you more energy overall. Number 5. Posture and stretching. Poor posture is like driving a car with the wheels misaligned. It wears out faster. Sitting hunched over or standing unevenly puts unnecessary stress on your spine, hips, and knees. Stretching and good posture can reset your alignment. Try this simple 5-minute morning stretch. Touch your toes to stretch hamstrings. Calf stretches against a wall. Gentle twists for your lower back. During the day, avoid sitting too long. Every 45 minutes, stand up, walk around, or stretch your arms and legs. This not only reduces stiffness, but also keeps circulation flowing, which nourishes the joints. If you use a computer, raise your screen to eye level and keep your back supported. Tiny changes like this prevent long-term damage. Number 6. Hydration and vitamins. Did you know your cartilage, the cushion between your bones, is made up of 70 to 80% water? Without enough hydration, cartilage dries out, causing stiffness and friction. That's why dehydration often shows up first as joint pain. Aim for at least 1.5 to 2 liters of water daily. Carry a water bottle with you and sip throughout the day instead of waiting until you feel thirsty. Don't forget key nutrients. Vitamin D from sunlight, eggs, or fortified milk strengthens bones. Calcium from leafy greens, yogurt, or almonds prevents bone thinning. Magnesium from pumpkin seeds, beans, or spinach relaxes muscles and supports proper joint function. Together, hydration and nutrition build a strong foundation that keeps your joints cushioned, flexible, and pain-free. Joint pain doesn't have to steal your freedom after 55. With the right foods, consistent movement, and simple daily habits, you can stay active, strong, and independent for decades. So tell me, which of these 6 tips will you start today? Share in the comments. I'd love to know. And if you want to learn how to stop memory loss and keep your brain sharp after 60, watch this video next. Together, let's build a healthier, stronger future.